Hey, this is English Explained, and we're diving into the viral slang term Karen. It's a label for someone who's stereotypically entitled, demanding, or overly assertive, often complaining loudly or seeking special treatment in a way that rubs people the wrong way. It's about spotting that over-the-top attitude. Let's break it down with examples so you really get it. They demanded a free coffee because their order took too long? That's such a Karen move. It's entitled behavior. Shouting at the cashier over a coupon that expired? Total Karen moment. They're making a scene. Insisting on speaking to the manager about a tiny issue? Classic Karen vibes. It's unnecessary drama. The slang term Karen exploded in the 2010s through internet meme culture, becoming a shorthand for entitled behavior. Its origins are debated, but it likely stems from a generic name used in viral videos and social media to mock demanding customers, often in retail or service settings. By 2020, Karen became a global phenomenon, sparking debates about stereotyping, but it remains a popular term to call out overzealous complaints or privilege. Use Karen to describe someone acting entitled or causing a fuss over minor issues, especially in casual chats about social behavior or viral trends. This term carries a humorous, critical tone and is perfect for informal conversations about annoying encounters. Be cautious using it, as it can offend or stereotype if aimed at individuals or used carelessly. Does your language have a similar phrase? Drop it in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe.